She's Kim, I'm Zan. This is We Are Woot. It's been a while since we've done a liquor review, but this time we're also reviewing a Georgia Peach Coke as well. We're here in Arizona, so been getting everything ready is why it's taking so long for us to do another one. With that said, we're doing Bird Dog Peach Whiskey today. And on that note, how about you crack those open? Feels like we should be having a poker game. Oh, no pop, huh?
No problem.
Well, let's try a little bit of the Coke by itself. And we'll try the whiskey by itself, and then we'll try them together. And we'll try it with some sours. Cheers. That's an interesting Coke.
Definitely get the peach.
Yeah,
It's not bad.
let's see a close up of the bottle. Yeah. So if you're looking for an interesting Coke to try, pick that up. Now let's try the whiskey. Oh, lost a little bit of focus. Oh, we can't get the focus back. There we go. I guess the camera's a little drunk, ladies and gentlemen. Well, let's see how the whiskey. Not bad. You get that peach taste to it.
Still get that little bit of alcohol up the nostrils.
The aftertaste, yeah.
But the peach definitely comes through.
Yeah, it's not bad though. Especially only for a $20 whiskey. We got, what percentage is that anyway? It's on the front.
40.
So decently strong. Here, how about a little bit more Coke each and some whiskey with that? Everybody loves whiskey and Coke. Cheers. That thing disappeared in there. At least it has to me.
I don't know if I can't tell if there's a little bit more peach flavor, but definitely the Coke. If you're mixing those two together, it's almost like you wouldn't taste the alcohol. Like you wouldn't know it was there unless someone poured it in.
No, that means regular Coke covered up pretty well as well.
Yeah. But since that one already has the peach tones,
It mixes really well together.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try some whiskey with sours.
Do this first so I know how much I'm doing.
And I know, ladies and gentlemen, I need to get a stand for the camera.
Yes, you do.
Because I'm trying to enjoy my drinks while I record at the same time. It's a little shaky.
Just a little.
Yeah. We could either spend our money on camera equipment or we could spend it on liquor. I think you know which one wins, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers. It disappears in the mixer or the sours as well. What'd you think?
You definitely get more of the sours than any of the peach and stuff, but even with the other flavors Bird Dog has, they kind of tend to mix really well. Or if you're one of those that don't want to taste your alcohol, they're really good mixes.
Yeah, and we'll bring those in the coming weeks as well. A couple of the other flavors. Well, all in all, if you're looking for a whiskey that mixes well, kind of has a little bit of an interesting bite on its own. It's definitely a cheap option to mix either with Coke or sours, several other mixers. Could be good in cocktails. Because like I said, the alcohol, it tends to disappear when you add it to other stuff.
Yeah. Not bad on its own, but definitely one that will blend with other stuff.
Oh yeah. That, ladies and gentlemen, Woot. Have a good week.
Bye.